Honestly, kung ako ang tatanungin ng Panginoon, nung gusto mo, to be rich or to be poor, palagay ko alam niyo na yung sagot. Anong gusto niyo? Gutom o to be filled? Anong gusto niyo? Magandang reputasyon sa lipunan o to be calumniated or to be ill-spoken of? It does not align. In other words, the Beatitudes that we have read does not align with the society that we find ourselves in. It's a capitalist society whose goal is always happiness. Diba? Kaya na ano ba yung happiness na yan? Ang ibig sabihin ba ng happiness ay for us to be rich, to be filled, to be spoken of well? Merong isang writer na nagsasabi na palagay ko itong mga blessings na ito, the blessed ones, the beatitudes and the woes are actually part of our lives. Pag-isipan po natin yun, makikita natin kung minsan tayo'y maginhawa, tayo ay may magandang sitwasyon sa buhay and people speak well of us. Minsan tayo ay nalulungkot, minsan tayo ay masaya. I think the Lord is not, hindi naman ino-oppose ng woes yung blessings at yung blessings hindi rin ino-oppose ng woes. In other words, they are not in opposition to one another. They are part of our lives. And perhaps it's not so much happiness that we are aiming at. Happiness ba talaga or being blessed? Hindi kaya ang mas mahalaga ay hindi yung blessings, hindi rin yung woes, kundi yung meaning ng mga ito na ating nararanasan sa ating buhay. Di kaya?